What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today I have come over here to Tualatin Hills Nature Park and I'm going to show you guys around. So this trail, this park is huge, so I'm not going to be able to cover everything today, but I'm going to probably walk like 15 to 20 minutes and show you guys around, take you guys along on my walk. Hope you guys are doing great and come along with me on another vlog. Now I'm not sure how long this trail is. I kind of forgot. I did come over here maybe 2 years ago, I think 2 or 3 years ago, but I haven't been back since, so I don't remember the trail really clearly, but it's just beautiful. This is a beautiful trail to come and run at. I already saw like 3 runners pass by me and I'm like, yeah, if I lived close by to this, I would definitely come and run or take walks here every single day. You guys hear the birds? Sound of birds, always beautiful. So last time I was here, this bridge wasn't here. It's actually, I believe it's new, and I think it is because you guys can see the wood is pretty new still. Yeah, I don't remember this at all. So this bridge right here is new. We used to come from that way and go down that way, but for some reason they built a bridge, and now pretty long bridge here. Pretty nice. Oh, look at this view here. Here it is. Now I'm not gonna go too close because it's kind of muddy over there, but here's the other view. We were just up there on the bridge. Now we're down here. Alright, so this is probably as far as I'm gonna go. Now this continues all the way, probably another 15-20 minute walk to the other side, the other entrance of the Tualatin Hills Nature Park, but I'm not gonna go that far because yeah, it's gonna take like 20 minutes and then I would have to walk like 30 minutes back. So I think I'm gonna start making my way back right now, and another time I will come with more time. I will come and explore probably the whole park, the whole Tualatin Hills Nature Park. But I hope you guys enjoyed this walk with me here at Tualatin Hills Nature Park. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace.